सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ग्रेड-ड्रीम्स चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए।
Hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. I am Gayatri and today we are going to talk about the LAB University of Applied Sciences. But before that, if you are someone who is planning to study in Finland, then check out the appointment link mentioned in the description box below. LAB University of Applied Sciences is a Finnish polytechnic university that operates in Lahti, Lappeenranta. LAB started its operations from 1st of January 2020 when Lahti University of Applied Sciences and Saimaa University of Applied Sciences merged together, and it was found in the year 1992. Let's talk about rankings. The university is ranked at 16th in the Finland. Let's talk about top bachelor's and master's courses at the university. They are as business, medicine, liberal arts and social sciences, psychology, computer science, management and information systems. Let's talk about the most important part, that is eligibility criteria. The university accepts English proficiency examinations such as IELTS with a score of 6.5, TOEFL with a score of 88 and PTE with a score of 59. Apart from this, there are other documents such as 10th and 12th mark sheets and certificates and transcripts if you are applying for bachelor's degree, bachelor's mark sheets, certificates and transcripts if you are applying for a master's degree. Other than this, your passport copy, LORs, SOP, resume and GRE GMAT scores if required by the course. Let's talk about the tuition fees and application fee. There is no application fee for applying any of the program at the university, and the tuition fee ranges from 8,000 to 10,000 for a bachelor's course and 9,000 to 11,000 for a master's course. So let's talk about scholarship. The university offers various scholarships to the international students, which reduces up to 50% of their tuition fee. For more information, you can check the link mentioned in the description box below. Last but not the least, let's talk about accommodation. The university does not offer any kind of on-campus accommodation, but there are various facilities available off-campus. For more details, you can check the link mentioned in the description box below. So that was it for today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates from Grad-Dreams.